using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React. Okay. Then now these are the points we have completed up to now. Okay. Now look at here, full stack Java tree diagram. If you learn full stack Java, what is the advantage? Okay. A full stack Java developer is having plenty of opportunities in the IT industry. You decided to become Java developer. Java, you want to work on Java platform. Then core Java, after you are learning advanced Java, after advanced Java you are learning Spring Boot, and then after Spring Boot you are going to go for IT industry job. Okay. This is Java platform. You got the job, happily working in the company. Suddenly, your company got a project on .NET or PHP or Python or Pega or Selenium scripts you have to write, or data science, machine learning, DL, AI, IoT based programs or projects you have to develop. As a Java person, can you shift to any of these platforms? Yes, happily you can shift, because Java is a fully syntaxed programming language. It has all concepts for developing application. You learn what are the concepts required to develop application. For example, you have learned car driving. Which car you learn? Manual driving car you learn. Gear is there, clutch is there. Okay. Now slowly what happened in the market? Automation car came. You should be there in the car. You no need to change the gear. There is no clutch. You no need to change the gear. Okay. And while driving, automatically brake applied, automatically steering is rounding. That is called automation. Something called ADAS or something is calling, right? Now tell me, can you drive this automation car? You learn manual driving. Every part of the car you are driving. Can you drive this automation car? Yes or no? Na? Can you drive or not? Question I am asking. Question. Can you drive this automation car? Yes. Why? Because completely manual approach, everything you learn. Each and everything 0 to 100% of car driving manual approach you learn. With this knowledge, can you drive automation cars? Yes. You learn what you call gear bike, pulsar bike you learn. Then suddenly your friend brought Activa bike, gearless bike. Can you drive that gearless bike? Yes. Why? Because you know everything. Now tell me, Java is everything, complete programming language. Now, .NET, PHP, Python, Pega, Selenium, data science, all these are automation developed on top of Java syntaxes. All these are developed after Java, and they are looking like what? Java only. So, if you learn complete Java, moving from Java to .NET, PHP, Python, Pega, Selenium, data science, is it easy? Very, very, very easy. Because Java is a full syntax programming language and you have learned everything. Next question. Suppose you learn PHP. Can you come to Java? No. Suppose you learn .NET. With the .NET knowledge, can you come to Java side? No. Suppose you learn Python. Can you come to Java platform? 100% no. .NET PHP, maybe you can come, you can try. But if you learn Python, can you come to Java side? 100% no. Because Python is not a fully syntaxed programming language. It is a scripting kind of programming language. Okay, its syntaxes are completely different. But Java syntax is almost similar to Python. I mean to say, if you learn Java syntaxes, if you remove some part of the Java syntaxes, Python will come. I'll give you one small example for you to understand. One small example. Suppose if you want to write a Java program. Suppose I want to add class addition, open bracket. Now here I want to add two numbers. Void add of, open bracket. Inside you are writing int a equal to 10. Next, int b equals to 20. Next, int c equal to a plus b. And then now you are writing system dot out dot print of, system dot out dot print of. What do you write now? C. This is the program for adding two numbers. Okay. Now, this is the complete syntax program. You learn this complete syntax program. Okay. In company now you got a project on Python. As a Java developer, can you learn Python? Can you develop data science application using Python? Just within 1 week you will be ready. Within 1 week you will be ready for it. How? Look, when you start learning Python, you will feel that, array, in Python, there is no class. Okay? There is no class. Then remove class. There is no method. Remove the method. There is no data type. Remove the data type. There is no data type. Remove the data type. There is no data type. Remove the data type. There is no system.out. Remove this. Only print there. There is no closed bracket. Remove. There is no closed bracket. Remove. This is Python. Antena. Hey, Python very easy. Then I will join Python. What do you say? Java very tough. Abbo, Python very easy. I'll go and join Python. My friends are telling Python easy, Python easy. If you are a first programmer, learn Python. If you are a second programmer, learn Java. Such a tumri statements are created in the market. Such a worst statements are created in the market for grabbing students' attention to get the more business. It's all business all, you know. How to cheat you, that is only the target. How to cheat the student, that is only the target. Array, just now you see in Java and Python difference. Extra 2 lines when I remove, Python is easy na. Next, why these 2 lines are not there in Python? Why they're in Java? Apply common sense. Java is a application programming language. When you are developing application, I require full syntaxes. Python is a scripting programming language. That's why scripting means what? I have to embed Python program as part of another program. If this Python program has a full syntax, how it can go? For example, you consider body, a person full body is what? Java. Okay? Java, and inside the body you have soul, na? The soul is what? Logic. Body, open bracket, closed bracket, this entire thing, class, method, open bracket, closed bracket is body. Okay? And inside your body you have life, na? The life is nothing but what? Soul. That soul is nothing but logic section. What I want to do, I want to develop logic in Python language, and I want to embed that logic as part of another program. I want to connect. If you want to connect, if Python has a full body, how can we insert one body in another body? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Can I insert a soul in another body? Did you watch movie Kanchana? Kanchana has a person, has a body, 3 souls, no? Plus including his own soul, totally 4 souls are there. One body, 4 souls. So tell me, what is the meaning of scripting language or script program? That program can embed, insert, connect to another program. So Java is meant for developing full application, complete application, whereas Python is meant for developing scripts. Scripts means only logic and embed with what? Another program. For that, Python is used. Tell me, everybody is telling Python is easy from the scripting point of view. But slowly course is going on, people will introduce, my dear students, look at here, Java, Python is also, okay? Python is also supports what? Object-oriented programming language. All students, okay? Object-oriented programming language also supports. Then, if you want to develop a object-oriented style program by using Python, Buji, Chitti, you have to write class. Okay? Class edition you have to write. Inside class edition, you are not going to write open bracket. You are writing something called colon. And next, here space. And you have to write method, void add, parenthesis, colon. And inside you write same, A equal to 10. Next, no semicolon. B equal to 20. Next, C equal to C equal to A plus B. Then print will be there. Print of what you write? C. I would Java to Python, same program is coming back or not? In Java, we have open bracket, closed bracket. In Python, there is no open bracket, closed bracket. In place of open bracket, colon will be there. And in place of closed bracket, spaces will be there. So tell me, people are doing wrong comparison Java and Python. Java is a full syntax programming language because it is a object-oriented programming language. If you want to develop in Python also object-oriented style, compulsory you have to write class method, everything will come. So Java is not difficult, Python is not easy. People has created that wrong mind in students. Okay, wrong thought process created. They themselves created wrong process and distributing the same wrong process in the industry. So please don't get trapped. Python is not easy, Java is not difficult. Both are difficult, both are easy. It's all depending on your accepting mindset. Okay, whatever we are learning, same thing we are teaching. I made Java is easy. Obviously, it will be easy for you also. Okay, so once you learn Java, you can easily shift to any programming language. That's why generally people say Java developers are all-rounders. They can go and develop anything. If you say I am Java developer, immediately other people say, wow, you are Java developer, then you can write code by using any programming language. Super. Are you catching my point? So finally, all the people got clarity. So Java, if you learn, you can shift to any of these programming languages. No, sir, I want to move to the tools, sir. I don't want programming side. I want to tools side. Then you go to Android, Objective-C, Salesforce, SAP ABAP, Oracle Forms, Hadoop, Spark, Scala. Okay, once you learn Java, you can move to in future any technology-based product, any language based project you can develop easily. And even there is a new thing called MuleSoft. Okay, there is one tool called MuleSoft. Even if you want to go for MuleSoft side also, you have to have knowledge on Java. So if you learn Java, your life will be wonderful. You can shift to anywhere. Okay, so happily you can learn. Any of your friends are telling that Java is very difficult. Okay, next what do you call, Python is okay, Java is very difficult and Python is very easy. If say something, please don't listen that. Clear my point? Fine. So now let's go to the next point. With this we concluded what is Python, what is Java. Now tell me here, in which difference between full stack Java and core Java. Now today let us try to understand some point about difference between full stack Java, Java and core Java. What is the meaning of full stack Java? Full stack Java means the skills required to develop one complete project. Okay, Java developer only what do you call, Java developer only involved in coding part. Java developer will not involve in the front end part and not back end part. Whereas if we say I'm a full stack Java developer, you have to involve in all the parts. Okay, next, core Java developer means he is just a language learner. So I want to write one program. You can just write a program. You cannot work on technology. You can develop full project. So it's very, very important. Nowadays, olden days, just by learning core Java, you will get job. Okay. And now, if you wanted to become one project developer, you have to be a Java developer. Means you have to learn complete Java module. What is that? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. If you learn all these 5 modules, then you can develop one project. But nowadays people are expecting you to develop front end also. That's why one more level you have to go for what? Full stack Java development. Okay, so finally I gave you conclusion on what is full stack Java means, what is Java means, what is core Java means. With this we completed all the details about full stack Java. Now let us try to enter it into our main course. What is the introduction to Java and core Java. Okay, introduction to, I can say Java, let me remove introduction to core Java. As part of core Java, what are you learning? As part of core Java, we are learning language. Okay, as part of core Java, we are learning what? Language. So what is the meaning of language? First, you should learn what is Java, Then you should learn why Java. Then you should learn who invented Java. Then you should learn types of applications, standalone application and internet application. Then you should learn what is a platform, platform dependency, platform independency. Next, we should learn why C and C++ languages are platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independency, important facts on Java program and Java software. Then types of Java softwares, difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. Next, also you should learn why JRE is removed in Java 11 version. So we have JRE software. From Java 11 version onwards, we don't have JRE software. Then you should learn how to download and install JDK software. By these 12 points completed, you are going to get full platform on Java programming launching required points. Then we are going to start softwares required to develop, compile and execute a Java program, then Java programming elements, then Java essential statements, develop hello world program, compilation and execution process, compiler and JVM activities. Then, once you develop a program, from that program, you will commit some mistakes. So many errors will come. How to solve those errors? You should solve those compile time errors and runtime errors by your own. No one will help you to solve the errors in the company. You should only learn how to solve the errors by your own. That is also we are going to learn. Some more examples we are going to practice. So this is our first topic we are going to learn as part of Core Java. Introduction to Core Java means we are learning language concept and how to develop a program. Everyone ready here? Look at here now. What is Java? First question I am asking, what is Java? Can you tell me what is Java? Java is a come on. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Okay. Now tell me, if you say Java is a programming language, is Java the first programming language? No. Java is not the first programming language. Already we have C. Already we have C++. After C and C++, Java language is introduced. Then why Java is introduced? Already we have C, already we have C++. Now, let me ask a question. Which language invented first? Java or Python? Either answer cheyandi. Which language invented first? Guess. Java or Python? Guess. Java invented first or Python invented first? Java, Python? Java. Right? Very good. I want that answer. Let me check. Python history. Or else let me write Python release date. When Python developed in 1989, look, working on Python in the late 1980s. 1980s and released in the market in the year 1991. Who developed Python? Gudio van Rossum. Now, when Java is developed? Java release date. When Java released? 1996. Okay, January 23rd, 1996 actually version release. Before that, 1995 only. Okay, test version is released in the market 1995. Development version released in the market is 1996. Okay, tell me now, who invented first? Java or which language invented first? Java or Python? Everybody feeling? Java invented first. Why? Python initially doesn't have market. No applications developed by using Python. First Java is invented. Now tell, when we have C language already, when you have C++ already, when you have Python language already, why Java is invented? Okay, is my question is valid? Java language is invented in the year 1990, 1990s. Okay, 1990s. Okay, 1996 the language came into market. But Python was there in the market from the year 1991 only. When already C++, Python are there in the market, why Java was invented? Why Java was invented? Very simple answer. C and C++ has one common problem and Python has another problem. C and C++ are meant for developing applications. Okay, C and C++ meant for developing applications. Python is not meant for developing applications. Python is meant for developing mathematical calculations and game softwares. Okay, it is just meant for developing mathematical calculations and game softwares. It doesn't have concept for developing a big applications. Python actually came into market for what, scripts to develop. For script programming purpose, Python is more popular. But what is the requirement of James Gosling? He want to develop what? Applications. Applications development required. Concepts are not there in the Python. So using Python, we cannot develop applications. Using C and C++, we can develop applications. Python mostly used for developing scripts to embed in another languages and work. Then why Java is invented? C and C++ can be developed applications, but the problem is they are platform dependent. What they are? Platform dependent. Platform dependent. Who? C and C++. C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent. And why Python is not used? Python is not supporting business application development. Business applications development. Then we have one language has one problem, another language has another problem. And then to solve these two problems, James Gosling has developed a new language called what? Java. Is it clear? New language called Java. So tell me, what is Java? Java is a what type of programming language? It's a programming language. What type of programming language? Object-oriented programming language. What type of object-oriented programming language? Platform. It is a platform dependent or independent? Independent. Okay, Java is a platform independent object-oriented programming language. Why Java? What is the need of Java? Java is invented for achieving platform independency for developing what type of applications? Internet applications. What is the target of Java? Java is meant for developing not just mathematical calculations based applications. It is meant for developing business applications. What type of applications? Business applications. What the meaning of business application? Like a bank application, like a Amazon application. One business application we wanted to develop, then Java is used. So finally tell me, when we have already C and C++ Python languages already in the market, why Java was invented? Because Java target is developing internet-based business application. Internet-based business application. The target of Java is developing internet-based business application. For developing internet application, what feature is required? Platform independency feature is required. For developing internet-based application, platform independency is required. Okay, now tell me, C, C++ are what type of programming languages? They are platform dependent languages. They can use it for a developing application, but they are platform dependent. Because of platform dependent, C and C++ can only develop what type of application? Standalone application only. They cannot develop internet. What is internet? What is standalone? I will explain you, don't worry. Next, now using Python, can I develop applications? No, because Python is a mostly supporting what type of syntax? Scripting syntax. With the scripting syntax, I cannot develop big application. It is having more predefined library for developing mathematical calculation based programs and game software development only they can be used, but not a complete big business application. Then existing three languages are not supporting for developing application, business application. Hence, James Gosling and their team has invented a new language as what platform independent application. Okay, first write these points, then we'll go for what is a platform, what is a platform dependent, what is platform independent, then what is standalone, what is internet, all the details we will learn. Write down this. First heading, introduction to core Java. Introduction to core Java. Introduction to core Java. Now, let's write what is Java. Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Why Java is invented? Java is invented to achieve platform independency for developing internet based business application. Java was invented after C, C++, and Python. Java was invented after C, C++, and Python. C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent. They can be used only for developing standalone applications. Python is mainly invented for developing game applications with scripting style programming. It has more libraries for doing mathematical calculations but not it doesn't have for developing business applications. Hence, for developing business applications and for accessing them through internet, Java is invented. Nowadays, in applications development, both Java and Python are being used. Okay, now you must get a question. Sir, when Python doesn't have uh, functionality for developing applications, then why Python has this much craze now? Okay, that is what you have to get clarity in. Completed up to here? Here, Java is used for developing Java is used for developing what applications? Main applications of the business. Then Python is used for developing data science, machine learning, and AI based applications. So now there is a category, okay? I want to develop regular applications. Then we use Java. You want to develop data science, machine learning, and AI based applications, people are using Python. So there is a huge competition between Java and Python. For example, tell me, entire Google apps, YouTube, okay, Gmail, Google Classroom, everything is developed by using Java. Google apps, next, Amazon, next, bank applications are developed by using Java. Chat GPT. Did you notice? OK Google is gone. In Android mobile, earlier Google has something called OK Google, right? Google Assistant. Now Google Assistant, OK Google replaced with Gemini, right? Have you seen that? Okay. Google Assistant. Next. These are AI tools. I can say these are AI tools. Chat GPT, Google Assistant. Next. Recommendation systems. Recommendation system. You know, when you watch some videos in YouTube, from tomorrow onwards, when you open YouTube app, all your same videos, same content videos will be showing. Na? Who will generate that recommended videos? By AI tool. That AI tool is developed by using Python. Okay? Etc. Or developed by using Python. Next, very, very important. Instagram is developed by using which language? Python. And its framework? Django. How to pronounce it as? Django, not Django. You have to pronounce it as Django. So if pure application, business application you want to develop, then we will use Java. Now I want to develop some AI tool, recommendation systems we want to develop, then use ChatGPT, Google Assistants. Okay, the only one application, famous application developed by using Python is what? Instagram. So mostly Python is used as part of what? Recommendation system. Recommendation system wherever required, data analyzation wherever is there Python will be used. So tell me now, you should have equal priority to Java and Python. Learn full stack Java, also have knowledge on what? Python. Okay, next. One last point I want to give. Wherever data searching and analyzation is required, there Python is used because it has more mathematical libraries. Okay, for search operation and analyzation operation to do, what is required? More mathematical libraries are required. That more mathematical libraries are available in Java. Okay, for developing one complete application, for reading data from user, and for displaying a business products What is used? Java is used. Online students, everybody following? Tushar, yeah, Python in your company using for what type of applications develop? Can you explain? What type of applications developing by using Python in your company? And if possible, can you share your details so that our Python students also can apply for the jobs there? In your company, is Python used for developing applications or AI tool? It is for experienced, huh? Okay. That's what I'm saying. AI and ML applications development purpose. It's not for main applications development, isn't it? So AI tools development only, it will be used. Okay, guys, I want to ask one small question, and with this question, you should get one clarity. Okay, look at here. Wherever data searching and analyzation is required, there Python is used, but not for application development, but not for business main application development. So people, you have to have that clarity. If somebody asks, "Arey, Java, why you are learning raw? Python, why you are not learning? Everybody learning Python." Then you should have clarity. Arey, my target is not AI tool development. My target is application development. Okay. Let me ask a question. Where more opportunities are there? Python side or Java side? Which language is having at least 1% more opportunities? Every company required application. Then which language is used? Java. Okay. For developing one complete application for a business, for developing one complete application for a business, for reading data from the user, and for displaying business products, Java is used. Okay. Now my question is, every business required one application. Then what language is used? Java. In every application, do you have data searching is required? In every application, do you have data analyzation is required? Not required. For example, you take Instagram. Instagram has huge number of data is there. Complete world is there on Instagram and putting their data. Now, data is there, data searching is there, data analyzation is there. Background of Instagram, AI tools are required, Python is required. Google you take, Google search engine is having huge amount of data. Data searching is there, data analyzation is required. Then now we required what? AI tool is required, Java is required. Now take bank application, take some gym application, take some tutorial application. Now regular business applications, does huge amount of data searching and analyzation is required? Not required. That means 100% every business required application, and background of that application, few applications only required what? Data analyzation and searching. Further, Python is having less number of opportunities than Java. This is what my analyzation. Is it right or wrong? You go and verify in the industry. Okay. So most of the companies are using Java. Less number of companies are using Python. Okay. Next. Python, once a tool is developed, for example, ChatGPT developed. Tell me, once ChatGPT is there, then I can buy one license for ChatGPT for my project, and I can use ChatGPT for my developers. Then I required Python developers to develop again by ChatGPT kind of AI tool? Not required. To develop my business application for my business, I need one developer to write the code now. For that, more opportunities are there for Java na Python. Java has more opportunities. That's what my analyzation, and you try to think and decide what is required. Okay, next, if you just learn Python, will you get the job? No. Python plus you have to learn extra tools. If you just learn core Java, will you get a job? No. With core Java, you should learn advanced Java, you should learn Spring Boot microservices, like that. Along with Python, you should also learn data science modules, you have to learn AI, you have to learn machine learning, you have to learn data science, you have to learn. There is a big story, it's a big ocean is there. So Java wise, you will get quick job and easy job and you can sustain. In future, okay, Java wise demand is less, Python wise more demand is there. First you want enter it into company, na? To enter into company, we need one door. The door is simple door is Java. Once you enter, you can go any direction. Java will help you to move to Python easily. And now all Python trainers and all Python developers, once upon a time, they are Java trainers and Java developers. You know that? There is no Python developers, Python trainers initially. We all Java trainers in the company who are good at analyzation kinds of point of view, who are good at mathematical point of view. Those people are taken side and Python projects are assigned. Okay, and next, very important, sir, now I am very much interested to AI tools development as per the trend, sir. Okay, then you decide, are you very strong in mathematics? In your academics, if you are good at statistics and algebra, if you are very strong, mathematical wise very strong, then you can choose Python. Sir, I am just a addition subtraction based mathematician, sir. I'm not that much strong in maths. Then silently come to Java, sir. In Java, not required of that much huge mathematical calculation. For application development, little business ideas and internet idea is sufficient. So my strong recommendation is choose Java, get job on Java, then later move to Python if required. Okay? Yes. Yeah, Tushar, correct. Python developer for developing APIs by using NumPy, Pandas and Django. Correct. Your point is correct. That's what I'm also saying. Okay? Okay, done. So just with Python, you will not have job. Extra tools also you have to learn. Okay, done. So hope you all got clarity why Java is invented. Java is invented for achieving platform independency for developing internet-based business applications. Okay, look at here this slide. Maybe this slide will give you quick conclusion on difference between Python and Java. Python is developed in 1980s to 1991. Java is started development from 1991 to 1995. So Python only first developed. When Python already there in the market, why Java is invented? Because Python is not meant for applications development. It is meant for developing math-based application. It is a scripting style program. It is suitable for data science, machine learning, AI-based applications, for data analyzation and recommendation application development like video recommendations. Whereas Java is meant for developing business application. It is an object-oriented programming style. It is meant for developing enterprise application. The complete project front-end, middleware, back-end applications are developed by using Java. For example, YouTube. If you take YouTube, YouTube is using both Java and Python. Java for developing YouTube application, whereas Python is used background in YouTube application for recommendation system to develop. Okay, then observe here how much knowledge is required to start Python. If you want to come to Python side, linear algebra and statistics, huge mathematical knowledge you must have. If you want to come to the Python Java side, just adding, subtracting, 5th class standard mathematics knowledge if you have is sufficient, you can come. What is the difference between Python and Java? Java is having full syntax. Python is having only the logic written part. Why? Because Python is a scripting style, only logic we write. Why we have extra these 4 lines? Because Java is a object oriented style. We have to write full code. Even if you use Python for developing object oriented style business application, again you have to write class and method, everything. So there is no difference between Python and Java in application development. Only thing is scripting style people are comparing and saying that Python is easy. Don't be get into the trap. And if you are good at linear algebra statistics, then only go to Python, otherwise be at Java side. Okay, with this, we completed differences between Java and Python. All people are comfortable? Got clarity on these points? Whenever you got any recommendation system, then immediately what you have to say? Oh, Python is used. Whenever you see one application front end screen, then you have to feel what? It is Java. Next, I want to quickly ask you one question. Please try to decide their Java is used or Python is used. Google, they have Google is trying to develop one electronic device. That electronic device connect to your hand based on your blood pressure and other things. They will analyze your body information and they will give you one report. That machine will give one report. In that report, the doctor will come to know, is there any chance that in future this person get heart attack, this person get cancer, and huge diseases, big diseases, dangerous diseases have any chance to get or not? To find that, to take the precautions, one electronic device is developing. Okay, I heard this one in earlier, almost 3-4 years back in the Google Summit. I don't know whether they are planning it, developing or not. So they want to develop that software. Everyone tell me, think and tell me, the software which is analyzing the blood pressure and other things of the body and giving the report, then this electronic device internal software is developed by using Java or by using Python? By using Python. Why? Because this body analyzation statistics has to be developed. For that, who is having more library functions, more mathematical library functions are available in Python. So that's why Python will be used. Okay. So finally tell me, if you are strong in mathematics, go to Python. If you are not that much strong but you want IT job, then come to Java. Then who is having more package, Java people or Python people? Both are having same equal salary. There is no difference, because without application, Python will not work. So without Python, now Java applications are not working. Next, from Java 21 onwards, slowly, in Java language also, scripting is introducing. Slowly, that extra syntaxes, whatever you are saying, class is extra, method is extra, directly not able to write language in logic in Java. Slowly, Java is also introducing scripting. And slowly, Java is also introducing mathematical library. So tell me, in coming versions in future, if entire mathematical library as per the industry is introduced to Java, scripting style introduced to Java, then tell me, people will start moving from Python back to the Java or not? Because Java is already proved that a big ecosystem, big enterprise application can be developed by using Java. What is lacking in Java? Analyzation required functionality is not there. So if Java introduced that mathematical libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib and other things for developing data science, machine learning, AI tools, then people are started using only Java. Why? If the people are choosing Python, two different languages, communication purpose in the middle, lot of APIs we have to develop. If only one language is there, then application execution will be fast. So in future, maybe coming next 2 to 3 years, Java is fully come up with what? Mathematical libraries like there in the Python. Then next coming 2 to 3 years, maybe Python gone from the market. It's impossible to remove Java from the market. Just remember, mark my word. Okay, let's move to the next point. It's sufficient. Tell me, what is Java? Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Then why Java? Java is invented for achieving platform independency for developing internet based business application. Is Java first programming language? No. Tell me. Now, third question, let me write differences between C, C++, Python and Java. Tell me, Java was invented after C, C++, Python. When C, C++ already available, why Java develop? C, C++ are platform dependent. They can develop only standalone application. Python mainly used only for developing game application. It follows scripting style, not suitable for developing business application. Python is not suitable for developing business application, but the requirement is what? Developing business application. Hence Java is invented. Now in the market, now people are using both Java and Python. Where Java is used? For developing complete one main business application, Java is used. As part of this business application, if a required recommendation system with a data science, machine learning, AI, what is used? Java, Python is used. So what are the examples of main application and recommendation system? Google Apps, Amazon, bank applications are developed by using Java. AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Assistants, recommendation systems are developed by using what do you call AI? Python. Okay. Then finally, hope you got clarity on what is the difference between Python, Java and other languages where they are using. Next, tell me, who invented Java? Java is invented by Mr. James Cosley in where? Sun Microsystems in the year 1991 for developing network-based applications, nothing but internet applications. The first version of Java was released in the year 1995. Later, the implementation, application development required version introduced in 1996. So write down this next point. Then we'll go for main points. We'll enter into Java. Today class, little theory, and tomorrow you can see the programming. Sanjeev Reddy, I will get angry when you are not studying. Maybe ask your friend may not be studying. Okay? Sanjeev Reddy, are you there? Definitely, I will scold the people who are not studying because you join the course for learning, not for time passing. Maybe your friend is time passing, not studying. Okay? When you are studying properly, replying questions, learning everything, completing assignments, I'll be the most happiest person. Always smile only will be there on my face. Okay. Can you give me 1 minute, everyone? Please wait. Online students, only online students. Look at here. This is okay. Online students, offline students, everybody. What is this? This is a Google Classroom app. Okay, this is Google Classroom app. This app is an application. It is a business application. Google company has developed one application called what? Classroom for the teachers and students communication. Teachers can share the material, schedule the classes, conduct the exams, find the grade. Everything can be done by using Google Classroom. Okay. Now, this app is developed by using which language? Come on here. Which language? Java. If you sit silently, then class will not be enjoying. Okay. How do I know whether you are understanding or not? By your answers only, na? Reply. Don't sit silently. Come on. Tell me. This is a business application developed by using Java. Super. Today morning when I opened Google Classroom app, I surprised with a message. What is this? Introducing generative AI for educators. Tell me, this is generative AI tool is developed by using which language? Python. Already Java application is developed. Na? To manage the maintain this Java application, we need developers or not? That means we have Java developers in the Google company. Plus, for developing this generative AI, the same Java developers forced to learn Python, forced to learn data science and AI tools, machine learning or algorithms, and implementing one software, one API. I can say, I don't say software, I can call it as one API. Now tell me, this Java application is now attached with what? Python scripts. Java application is attached with what? Python scripts. Then tell me, because Python is having more mathematical libraries and having the scripting nature to embed with another language, That's why Google started using Python. Understood? Then today onwards, I can also start using generative AI. This AI tool help for increasing my productivity of preparing the scheduling and everything. Instead of I am doing manually, I can start use the AI tool. My dear AI tool, schedule class for me. My dear AI tool, do the calculations for me, do the everything. Previously, whatever the manual operations I am doing, now AI tool will do behalf of me. So tell me, world is slowly is become more automation with the AI tools. Okay. Now tell me, here in this Google app, Google Classroom app, olden days we have only Java. Now slowly Python also entered. Are you following my point? Right. Okay. This is not the point I'm trying to, I'm current explanation purpose, just example I taken. Now, online students, please open Google Classroom app. All the people know how to open Google Classroom app? Online students. Open browser, log into your Gmail account, open browser, log into your Gmail account. Then here you will find Google Apps. Click on this Google Apps and you will find here, go down, you'll find here, these are the all the apps. In this, you'll find Classroom. Click on this Classroom. Classroom will be open. And here plus button is there. Click on this plus button. Click on join class. Then it is asking you enter class code. This is the class code. Please enter and join. Today onwards, I'm going to upload material soft copy also. Enter this soft copy. Babu, offline wait for you separately is there. For online, offline, both are separate. Enter this number here in this Google Classroom and click on join. You will join. Sir, I am using mobile, sir. Okay. Go to Play Store, search for Google Classroom. You will find Google Classroom. Because Google Classroom is accepting only 250 students per classroom. There is no differentiation from offline, online. Okay. Same material, same thing will be uploaded. Download Google Classroom app from the Play Store. Then log in with your Google account, Gmail account. Then same process. There is a plus button down in the app. Click on it. Yeah, offline students, can you also do that? Do you have mobiles? Can you connect? Open. No mobile. Good job. Without mobile, you come to the class. Great person. Come on, make it first. No class found. No, Baba. Maybe you enter wrong. This is not 1. This is L. NMWX SWL. This is L, not 1. Enter code proper. Let me share the link otherwise. Is it coming in clickable format of everyone? You can click on that link also. Okay. Now, offline students. Yeah. Oh. Please enter this number in your Google Classroom. Okay, if network is working here, you can join now only, or else write down in your notes. After going to home, you can write. You should be more interactive, okay? If you sit silently like a statues in the class will become more boring. Okay, na? Answer to the questions. Everyone copied? Okay. Currently, the Google Classrooms are empty. After class or by afternoon, I will upload everything. Okay, na? Let's proceed. Tell me, how many points we completed? 4 points. What are the 4 points? Number 1, what is Java? Who invented Java? Difference between core Java, difference between C, C++, Python and Java. Malini. Yeah, for offline, I already provided code. You join online today. Next, who invented Java? Java is invented by Mr. James Gosling in Sun Microsystems. Okay. Then next, let's move to the next point, types of applications. Today, we will wind up the session with these types of application knowledge. Please observe. Very simple topic. First, let me tell you with a practical example. Everybody look at my desktop and tell me, this is my computer. In this computer, I have installed Edit Plus software. Double click on this Edit Plus software. It is open. Next, in my computer, I have calculator. I open calculator. Tell me, this Edit Plus software, this calculator software required any internet connection? Can they install in my system, in my hard disk only available? From my hard disk only applications are opening? Now tell me, these applications, Edit Plus, next VLC media player, next MS Office, and next calculator, all these are called standalone applications. What is the meaning of standalone application? You install the software in your system, then you are accessing that software from the same computer in which you install. Is called what? Standalone. Standalone application means you install the software accessing from the same computer. For example, Edit Plus software I have installed in my system, or VLC media player I install in my system. Can you access it from my system? Can you access it from your system? I install Edit Plus or VLC media player in my computer. From your computer, can you access or cannot access? Cannot access. It's not possible because they are internet accessible or not accessible? Not accessible. They are called what? Standalone. Now, somewhere in the world, server computer, Amazon project has installed. Now, from my computer, by using browser, can I access Amazon project? Yes. Then Amazon is a internet application. Tell me, Facebook is a internet application. So tell me, Facebook can be accessible throughout the world from anywhere? Yes. Facebook is a internet application. Okay, this is my Facebook account. Okay. Next, Instagram. Can I access Instagram throughout the world? Yes. Instagram is a internet application. Oh, now login. Okay. Closer above. Right. So tell me. So this Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Gmail, everything is what? Internet accessible. Then what is standalone? What is internet? I'll explain with a small diagram. Please try to observe. This is one computer. In this computer, I have installed, this is one computer. Generally, the computer that has software is called what? Server software. What we call? Server software. It is called server software. In the server software, I have installed a project or a program. Anything is okay. Installed a project or a program. Now, I am trying to take my computer. This is my computer, either laptop or a desktop or anything is okay. Okay. Here, I open browser. Generally, everything we access from where? Browser. From the browser, this is my network. Via network, from the browser, via network, I am trying to access this computer connected to the network, this computer also connected to the network. Via network, from this browser, via network, I am trying to access this project. Possible or not possible? Come on, possible or not possible? Not possible. Okay, not possible. Then we call it as what? Standalone application. What we call? Standalone application. If a program or a project installed in one computer trying to access from another computer via network, if not possible to access, we call it as what? Standalone application. Then how to access this project? Everyone look at here. You are available at your computer. Okay, black and white person. Okay, you are available here and trying to access from your computer. What this computer is called? Server computer, client computer, client system. It is a client system. In the client system, we have what? Browser. From the browser, you are trying to access. Now, this person via browser unable to access, then what he has to do? No, he has to come all the way from his system with his mouse. All the way he has to walk and come to here. Understand? And then all the way he has to walk from there to here, and here he can access. Tell me, he is accessing with a network call. This is called network call. Network call. Internet, via internet, if you access, we call it as what? Network call. With network call, accessing possible or not possible? Then how are you accessing? You are coming into the computer where the project is available. Within the computer you are accessing. So what we call it as? Local call. With local call, we can access this project. Then we call this project as what? Standalone application. Everyone understand? Tell me examples of the standalone application. CalC, calculator project installed here. CalC is a standalone application. VLC, I installed VLC here. VLC is a standalone application. MS Office tools I have installed here, like Paint, MS Word, everything. Tell me, MS Office tools are also what? Standalone applications. Is everyone understand what is standalone application? An application that can be that is available in one computer and can be accessible only within that computer. We call it as what? Standalone application. Tell me, can I call a standalone application is a single computer, single user application? Come on, can I call like this? A standalone application is a single computer and single user application. Can I call? Yes. Why? Tell me. When can I access this project from different computers in the world? No. We can access only within one computer. Point number 2. When I am accessing this project, can other person come here and access that project? No. Tell me, I am using my laptop, my keyboard, my mouse. While I am working here, other person can bring his with his keyboard and laptop, connect and use it? Not possible. So that's why standalone applications are called what, Nana? Single user, single computer application. It will work only within one computer by only one user. Tell me, if I want to develop one business, can I make my project as a standalone application? I want to develop a business application. My business application want to access in throughout the world or not? I want allow my project to access throughout the world. I want to get the business money from throughout the world. If I develop a business application as a standalone application, I should call all the clients to come to my house, my office, my shop. Then who is interested to come? Tell me, most of the sales are happening, all products are buying from the mobile shop or from the Amazon? Amazon. Then tell me slowly what happened? Big C, all these standalone shops are also created one app. You can also buy the mobiles from us, online applications are developed. So without online application, there is no business. Take as an example, earlier before Corona, we used to teach only offline. Every student should come to the classroom. But after Corona, students are habituated attending the classes online and people are not interested to come to travel all the way to Hyderabad. Then what we did? We started classes online. We created one app, online app. Then by using this online app, people are accessing me through internet or not? Olden days, I am a standalone faculty. Now I am standalone faculty or internet faculty? Internet. Because one app is developed for me to access my voice, my screen, everything from remote computer. So if you want to extend your business, you want more sales for your product, you should develop what type of application? Standalone or internet? Internet application. So tell me, why Java is introduced? Java is introduced for developing internet application. Why internet application is required? To access the business throughout the world for increasing the business. Next question. You remember there is something called Paytm? Paytm is one shop in the Noida. It is a mobile recharge cards selling shop. The Paytm owner slowly started observing many people are buying mobiles and SIM cards usage is increased. Then recharge is increased. Recharge cards sales is increasing. Then slowly what Paytm, that owner started thinking, I have my shop in Noida, in one colony, in one street. Maximum I am doing the business only in this street or maximum in this colony only. Then how can I bring my business to next colony, next city, entire India? That is where he started thinking application point of view. Then he approached one software company asking, can you develop an application for my business to access this recharge throughout the India? Then it should be a standalone shop or internet shop. Then tell me, that company, the software company developed Paytm software by using which language? Python or Java? That time Python also there, Java also there. It's all happened many years back. Java, Python both is there. Which language is used? Java is used. Why? They want to develop data analyzation based recommendation program, or they want to develop a business application. When Python was there, why people use Java? Python is not meant for developing application development. It is meant for developing tools development, one API development. So then people has used Java and developed Paytm software. Tell me, where Paytm software is available? In my computer, in server computer? Server computer. Now Paytm. When I press Paytm in Google, it is giving the link to me. When I click on it, all the way internet it is traveled, come to my system. Tell me, Paytm is a standalone application or internet application? Internet application. Paytm software initially is only mobile recharging software. But slowly, it started extending many features in the Paytm. Why? Because Java is providing extensibility. Java is a object-oriented programming language and it providing extensibility. Once you develop project, you can add first feature, second feature, third feature, fourth functional, sixth functional. You can extend your project as much big as you want. That's depending on your capability. So Java is a extensible and scalable programming language. How is it extensible, scalable, sir? Coming classes I'll explain now. Then tell me, finally, did you get clarity on difference between standalone application and internet application? Standalone application can be installed in one computer and accessible only from that particular computer only. Then Java is invented for developing standalone application or internet application? Internet application. That means you develop the project and deploy or install in one server computer, access via internet. To access Paytm, I should go to Noida? No. From Hyderabad I can access? From corner of any corner of India can we access? Yes. Because of Java, it is possible. Now tell me, in this Paytm project, okay, there is an option called, I can book the flights or I recharge the mobile, something I did. Then tell me, there is a chance that I may forget next time go to the Paytm? Immediately you will get a notification to your mobile or notification on your app. Then who is developing that notification? Who is analyzing the data background in the Paytm software? Python is analyzing. Okay, so analyzation system is developed by using Python and app is developed by using Java. So you cannot now see Java and Python two separate. Now both are working together now. You take any business application, front what you are seeing Java, back end what analyzation is helping by using what? Python. So please remember both together working. Now tell me, your face is what? Java. Okay, na? Your body is what? Java. In your face and in your brain, you are listening the class, but in your brain, tell me, lot of thoughts are generating. Are 8:55? This fellow still not stop the class. Now my tiffin in the hostel, there are gone. Right? Lot of questions are generating. Lot of analyzation you are doing. That analyzation is Java analyzation or Python. Your body, what you are seeing is Java. Your brain, internal mathematical calculations, and that analyzation is what? Python. Maya. Finally, today class, I gave you clarity on Java and Python. Whenever you are stand in front of the mirror, array Java. Okay? And now your brain is telling, wow, what a handsome you are. How much beautiful you are. Then smile is coming, na? That smile is coming because of who information, who recommendation information? Python. Point. That's all for today class. Okay, so today class target is giving introduction to Java and comparing Java and Python. You cannot see Java and Python both separately. Wherever Java is their background, Python is there. Are you catching my point? Thank you. That's all for today class. Hope you got clarity on basic introduction to Java today. Okay, and can you please go to ChatGPT today? ChatGPT, all people know ChatGPT? Go to browser, search ChatGPT. It is asking to create one account, create with your Gmail account, create. Then search in ChatGPT. This is the first assignment I am giving. I told you everyday assignments will be there. First assignment, open ChatGPT, search differences between Java and Python. Okay, na? Which is best? Okay, difference between Java and Python, which is best? Search it and it will give you the differences lead. Write in your notes and come. Tomorrow you have to submit this assignment in your notes. No separate paper. I will verify your notes. I will check your notes. I will ask, completed, completed, completed. What do you say? Silently look at my face. Why? Because you forgot Ghazni, na? Keep reminder in your mobile. Keep alarm. You will forget, I know. Because once you leave the class, your brain will go to Instagram, I know. Kachabadan, lifelong Kachabadan. Keep reminder, by tomorrow class you are coming, the first assignment you have to complete, differences between Java and Python. The table, minimum 10 points I want you note down. Use ChatGPT or use Google, wherever you want to search. This is the first assignment you have to complete and come. Clear? Can I expect everyone will finish and come? Thank you. That's all for today class. And I will upload the today material notes in Google Classroom. Hope everybody join. Okay. And demo classes will be up to Monday, buddy. Tuesday, you have to complete the payment. Monday is the last class for demo class. Or maximum Tuesday. Okay, na? From Wednesday onwards, only paid students will be there in the class. Thank you, guys. See you all tomorrow. Please join the class by 7:20. You all coming by 7:40. Class is 7:30 sharp will start. Join the class by 7:20 sharp. Online students, if you have any questions, please ask. Hope today no questions. Yeah. Kaushiki, give me 1 minute. I will give you mic permission. Can you please use raise hand button? I can give mic permission. Yeah. Unmute Kaushiki. Kaushiki, can you unmute? I gave permission.
Sir,
Ah.
I didn't quite note that who invented Java question.
James Gosling.
Yes, and there was a more detailed answer to it.
You want more detailed answer?
Yes.
Okay, I'll explain you that in Java history part. Okay. So the main person who invented Java is James Gosling, and he is having other team of members. Okay, Patrick Norton, Mike Sheridan, like that, many people are there. But you need to remember only one point, that is James Gosling.
Okay. And in that answer, there was the year also in which
yeah, I will give the
Java
notes. Okay,
was
don't worry.
invented by.
Yeah, I will upload the note. Java history notes I will upload in the Google Classroom. You can read it. Okay, na?
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, next. Kiran.
Hello.
Yes, buddy. Kiran.
Yeah, I have some questions like in 2005 we will get videos also.
3,500, not 2,000.
No. I'm sorry. In 20,000. I'm looking for the full stack
No,
development.
no. In 20,000, you will not get videos. You have to pay extra fees, and the fee details will share by the admin Rajeshwari.
Okay. And in later, can I watch the videos and can I if I get any questions or can I watch the
Yes,
videos?
yes. You can watch videos and you can ask the questions anytime. Okay.
Okay. Sure,
Yeah.
sir. That's all I have questions here.
For videos, you have to pay extra fees.
Okay. Okay. I will check with them, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rakesh, Java is highly secured programming language. Node.js is server-side JavaScript program. Okay. As much strong Java, Node.js is not that much strong. So for small applications development, Node.js can be used. But big business application development, Node.js is not suitable. Which type of application developing in your company, Rakesh? Archana? Yeah, Venkat, for live class only 3,500. If you want recorded videos also, you have to pay extra fees. Yeah, Deeps. C++ mainly used for developing system applications, driver software, operating system, system dependent applications. If you want to develop, people are using C++. I will give you that clarity in tomorrow class. So that's what it's a scheduling app means there is no much what do you call security not required. It's not a big business applications. Money transactions are not there. It's a small application. Small applications can be developed by using Python or PHP or Node.js, even .NET. Big business applications, if you want to develop, Java only will be used. Enterprise applications means Java. Yeah, your course plus extra 6 months, I guess. Once course completed, the recorded videos will be available for extra 6 months. Dinesh Kumar, you can come both offline, online. Okay. Initially, if you are in online, later you can shift to the offline. No need to do any extra payments. Deeps, you join online now. Online Google Classroom sufficient. There is no different material or different communication. Same material I'll upload for both people separately. Meghna, tomorrow I'll explain you what is object, okay? Today my target is Java is a platform independent. So only my focus is on platform independent related discussion. Object oriented means that we'll discuss in tomorrow class. Tomorrow I'll give you clarity on what is object oriented programming. Okay. Next, why we should create object in the programming, what are the programming elements required for object oriented. All the points we'll discuss in tomorrow, day after tomorrow classes. So by end of this week, you will get full clarity on everything. There is no difference between online, offline. Same faculty, same face, same explanation, same jokes, same scoldings, everything same. Only your concentration levels. You are in online. If you can focus and will not distract from other people, you can attend online, offline, no difference. Okay, if there is a disturbance in your room, people are not allowing you to listen, then come to offline. And in your online, you are alone, but listening and sleeping, no one will get you wake up. If you are there in the classroom when you are sleeping, I will ask you to get wake up. Okay, that is the difference. More interaction will be there. Okay. Any other questions, online students? Deeps maximum like that only. Okay. AI is used for developing AI tools and embedded that AI tools with Java.NET applications. Sai Charan, duration of core Java is 90 days, not 60 days. Next, still any questions, guys? Jaipal Singh, you can try with experience, but your PF and everything will be tracked, na? ITR account, PF, everything will be there, right? Then how can you tell you are a working employee? I mean, experienced IT employee. Yeah, I will teach core Java and advanced Java for your full stack Java. Spring Boot microservices will taught by other faculty. A script means it's not full program, na? Scripts are not full programs, right? That's why it's a part of the program. That's why applications development is difficult. Yeah, Tushar Damira, you can take only core Java and advanced Java. You can take admission to individual batches or also as a full stack batch. It is up to you. Kiran, that's what I recommended. Learn full stack Java plus get awareness on Python so that your resume will have more weightage. You will get more opportunities to get the jobs. Full stack Java plus Python knowledge. In resume, you should mention you are a full stack Java developer with Python knowledge. Vaishnavi, check with admin. I am not aware of that installments and all. Jaipal Singh, 2022 to 25 means 3 years of gap is there. You cannot consider as a fresher. 23, 24 and 25 will be considered as a fresher. So 22, maybe you can try your luck. Yeah, Tushar Dharma, there is a two options. You can learn advanced Java in the middle of core Java after 45 days, or you can learn advanced Java after core Java fully completed after 3 months. It's depending on your choice. Jaipal Singh, you have to decide, man. What I can do means I cannot suggest you, right? You are already working, you have already PF, you have already ITR. You cannot tell that you are a IT employee. You cannot do 2 jobs, no? Yeah, Ishant, correct. Without videos means class notes and live sessions. Yeah, Sai Charan, you can switch. PHP to Java, you can switch. You can, that PHP experience will be considered to the Java, no problem. Because you are in a programming section on, programming stream on. Class notes and videos are different now, obviously. Okay. You can tell that 4 years of experience, you can come. Okay. Okay, guys. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. It's all a time up. Please join class by 7:20, not at 7:30, 35, 40. Okay. Join class by 7:20. Yeah. For Selenium, only core Java sufficient.